Welcome back to, man, I don't even know, but welcome back. Today we got the tent up, we got the painting table, and we got a homie. Okay. And you know what that means. We're gonna finish it, and it's right before FuelFest too. We got a week exactly before FuelFest, and we're gonna paint the bumper, the front bumper now. She's right there waiting, covered, waiting for us to unravel her. So we'll get her out right now and we'll start. Dogs, Charlie. All right, let's open her up. Oh my God. Ruined already. So we definitely have to clean it up because it's got webs. It's been a while. Gotta grab a tack cloth, one of these bad boys, and then we'll start cleaning this and prep it. Now we're gonna use the tack cloth and take off anything else that's left. Hey, yo, shake it though. Not like actually shake it though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. I'm gonna let Kevin spray this time because he didn't get to spray anything for the entire car.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, like the front fender, right?
And the door.
The door. That's it though. But he loves painting. This is passion. His pride. But all cleaned up, prepped now. And Kev's gonna start painting it. We'll probably switch in between. So she's all ready to go.
You always want to test.
Yep. Don't you just love how it smells?
Smell it every night. That's how I go to sleep.
You sleep like a baby, huh? Rob's here now. But yeah, we finished first coat. We as in Kevin. It's looking pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. We're gonna wait about 9 minutes or so to let it dry, and then we'll do the other coat. It's time to begin the second coat on. Even strokes, bro. Even strokes. Very nice. I can't wait to put it on. She's right there watching over us. So we got that second coat on now. Looking much more white than gray. Not gonna lie, I think Kevin's doing a better job than I ever did on my car. Solely because I think, I don't know, maybe I wasn't shaking the can every time I was done spraying. But it looks much better. He got the finesse. I should have him paint my whole car. Coat number 3. Kevin did good. I'll give him that. He gets to drive my car once in a while now. But he needs my permission. It looked good, huh? Nah, don't look at that though. Now that the paint is done, we're gonna give it the night to cure, kind of settle in. And then tomorrow morning, we'll probably do the clear coat and let it rest for the whole day. Good morning, it's the next day. And we got the bumper right here. She's still looking good. She looks really nice, actually. Paint is all dry too, feeling really smooth. This is definitely gonna be better than all the other times. We're gonna be clear coating it today. As we're clear coating as well, my dad and I are gonna be fixing the fog lights since we have like better access to it now. We'll pull it up right now, check it out and see what we got. You can see we have like such a great access to the fog lights. The issue with them is it's probably a wiring issue, as it always is. Either that or maybe one of the bulbs is dead or whatnot, but only the right one turns on and not this one. So we'll see if it's the bulb. If not, it's probably the wires. If not, there's something in between. So we're playing around with it right now, and you can see that this one only turns on and that one doesn't. What's crazy is that the fog lights don't turn on unless you have the car completely like turned on, like engine running and everything. Maybe that's a little wiring issue, or that's just how the car is. I don't know. Little JDM things, I guess. So we're gonna take off the bolts, the backing right here that are holding the fog light in. We're gonna take them off and then see what the problem is. So we got it off now.
Yeah, look at.
Yeah, it's all cracked and everything. Let's take it off. Be careful with it.
No, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna weld it with the gun we have, with the welding gun. No, I mean just right here so it won't go all the way.
So we're taking this one off because I don't know if you can see in there. It's kind of cracked as well, right there. You see it? We're gonna take this guy off here. And there we go. Oh man. Ooh, this thing is hot too. Holy shit. Plastic weld this one too, and there you go. Part 2 of the job. Kevin's here. Look at him. Cleaning his car. But back to what's important. What I'm gonna do to troubleshoot right now is have all this connected. So this is the left one, right? I'm gonna have it connected to the working one that I know works for sure. We're gonna turn it on and we'll see if it's the bulb or if it's the wiring on that side. The bulb is not turning on. I do have the fog lights on. It might just be the bulb that's not working. I'll switch it with the yellow one that's on the other one and we'll see. So my dad broke the old one, the other one that was working. We were trying to take it off and it just broke off. Damn, son, that's a night and day difference. Kevin's over there working on the clear coat right now. Looking shiny. So I'm figuring out that it's the light that's not working. For now, I think we're just gonna rock with no fog lights until we get the piece. So we got the third coat, a final coat on. You see it's all glossy. Oh, nice. So we're gonna let that just cure for the rest of the day. And probably tomorrow morning, we'll put it on and it should be complete. As for the fog lights, the conversion kit is not gonna come in time for FuelFest. I'm just gonna put everything back together and just have them empty for now. So we're just gonna put everything back together and then put it in the car. fog lights are back on. Not working, obviously, but they're back on just for the show, at least. And then Kevin over here making good use of all the rest of the clear coat that we have left.
Oh, morning,
Golden boy. He's working on some other stuff over here. Ooh, don't know what's happening there, but overall not too bad. He's working on his interior. I'll show you a little bit of it. Can I show them your interior? Look at that. Ooh, this is gross. It looks pretty cool. It doesn't come like this. Just letting you know. What is it, the first layer?
I'm only putting one of these.
Oh, you're doing the paint.
I'm gonna put a coat.
Oh, okay. Watch it be different.
It's supposed to be the same color.
I don't believe that.
It is, bro. I looked at the website.
Did you?
Yeah.
Like Nissan and Toyota aren't even like in the same group.
They're the cousins.
Yeah, Toyota's the weird cousin, right?
No, Honda.
True. I didn't think about it till now, but since I'm putting the front bumper on and the car's way lower than before, I'm probably gonna have to go to Home Depot and buy some 2x4s to put underneath the tire so I have clearance to take out the jack when I'm done. So we just came back from Home Depot. We got some paint, because we're gonna paint this. We're gonna paint the chicken wire properly. And we also got some more wire to put here for the big gaping hole that it has. We don't want any rocks coming through. So right now we're just doing a lot of cleaning up of parts, like this one that goes like right in the smaller nose panel that lets air in to the intake directly. So I'm gonna keep the wire that was originally on, just cleaning it up. You can see, gonna clean the inside as well, and then we're gonna paint it with the black paint. And we'll do the same with the other wire that we have too. We're gonna paint that black so it's looking all nice and seamless. So it's all cleaned up. Just have to remove some of the sawdust because my dad's right there kind of cutting up the wood we need. But you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. So we got the front piece right here. We've painted it already. Front is black. And then we did the same with this piece right here. Front is black. Decided to paint the other side black as well, you know, whatever. And instead of using the clips that it originally came with, we're gonna be using these instead. They'll go in and it's a better hold on it. We got the bottom nuts on. See right there. And right there as well to hold it in place on the bottom. And then my dad, he's making some room right there in the wire for the screws that are gonna go through. So we got the second piece in. Now we're just gonna screw it in, make the hole that goes to this inside of it. You can see. So all in all, we decided to zip tie it instead. None of these fit. We didn't have any of the bolts. We only have like the washers and all that. We just ended up doing zip ties. It's still not bad, you know. I think it'll be better for later on if I want to get an actual like plastic grill and everything. It is time. It is time to put on the front bumper. It's over there. We're gonna roll up the car right now into the driveway and put it on. And she is complete. Bye.